Right, so we've just received our portable Bluetooth speaker with a added feature of some lights on the front, so I'm very much looking forward to seeing this in action. So as we open the box, this is what we're welcomed with. We've got an auxiliary cable there, 3.5mm, very handy. Also got a USB to micro USB connector to charge it, and obviously the speaker itself. So here's the speaker out of the box. As you can see, it's a angular design on the top here. Got a up and down on volume, play and pause button there, clear as day. So as we look round here is the speaker. See if we've got anything on the side here. Oh, okay. So we've got microphone if you want to use it to take a phone call, make a phone call, line in. That's the charger for the micro USB slot, off and on. On the base here, oh, you can pop in a micro SD card as well. That's hidden away there to listen to music off of that, and this is the other side as well. I'm just going to turn it on the side.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
As you can hear, it's suggesting that it's ready to pair. Okay, so we've got some music playing through this. I don't know if you can even hear me, this is so loud. Now, I've just turned this down because these are so powerful, it's insane. I'm going to turn it up, but only briefly, and probably have to pause the video. Gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination, 'cause so these are incredibly loud. I could have turned that up higher than that, but I didn't. So I'm very impressed, because I think the clarity of these are very, very good indeed, and you get obviously this cool light show as well. So very good.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Until I hear you at the door, until you're in my arms once more. Saturday night is the loneliest night of the week.